A rectangular piece of paper ABCD is folded to form the figure below. Find angle Z. Alright, so they have very kindly given us the before folding and also after folding as well. Now what we need to understand is that at times, right, they may not even give us this diagram. Not given, they will just give us this one here. Okay, they may not even draw the dotted lines for us. Okay, so if it's missing, please draw the original shape in dotted line, and then from there put in all the angles that you know. So for example, this is a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Alright, and when you are folding it in, the 90 degrees follows inside as well. So here will be 90, and this one follows inside here. Over here 90 also. Okay, and not just that, this blue angle, right, you folded it in to become this blue angle. Same thing. So let's say this is 20. Okay, let's say over here 20. Inside also gonna be 20 degrees. Okay, and not just that, even this green angle, you fold it in. Let's say over here is 10. Inside will also be 10 also. Okay, example. Now, how do I find angle Z? Okay, to do that, we need to have an idea about these blue angles and also the green angles. Because once you find that, right, then you can use angles on a straight line add up to 180. You take that 180 minus the two green angles minus the two blue angles, and you can find angle Z. Okay, now the green angles, let's start with that. So that is angle CGF. 180 minus 90 minus 63. 27 degrees. So over here will be 27 degrees. Why? Because I'm using the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if that's 27, over here also 27. Okay, take note, take note. Now, and the blue one, the one that we can find is EGB. It's part of this triangle here. (180 minus 90 minus 58). 32 degrees. Okay, so over here 32, over here also 32, and thereafter we make use of angles on a straight line add up to 180 minus 32 minus 32 minus 27 minus 27. Then we can find angle Z already. Angle Z, 180 minus 27 minus 27 minus 32 minus 32. Alright, 180 minus 27 minus 27 minus 32 minus 32. Answer for this question, 62 degrees for angle Z. Okay, another way is actually to add them up together. Okay, you can go and add 27 plus 27 plus 32 plus 32. And then to find Z, you take 180 minus that sum of numbers. Final answer, 62 degrees.